It's estimated that more than 14 million people are headed to foreclosure in the U.S. this year alone. Many of our friends, neighbors, and loved ones are about to lose the American dream of home ownership. Hello and welcome to Kingdom Builders Financial Group's Short Sale Consultant Business Opportunity Presentation. My name is Jim Leader and I'm the Chief Development Officer with Kingdom Builders Financial Group. What I'm about to share with you is an incredible business opportunity where you can make a comfortable income for yourself and your family by helping families through these difficult times. The opportunity I'm about to share with you, I can promise you, is unlike anything you've ever heard of before. If you've really wanted to get into the real estate industry, but you feel that today's economic environment would prevent you from becoming successful, and you're the type of person who has a true passion for helping others, then this opportunity is for you. Kingdom Builders Financial Group is a nationwide real estate consulting company that was founded in 2005 by our CEO, Terrence Smith. Terrence's passion for business and real estate is what drove him to build a company that would allow the average person to become successful in the real estate industry with little or no experience. The vision that God has given Terrence is helping individuals and families all across the country to break the cycle of poverty. Kingdom Builders Financial Group is not only setting a standard, but also breaking records in the industry. Having a solid business model and leverage system in place, Kingdom Builders Financial Group has become a force to be reckoned with. So what does Kingdom Builders Financial Group have to offer you? As we all see in the news, the cost of goods and services continue to get more expensive. Companies are freezing or even reducing salaries, and layoffs continue to rise. People are struggling financially right now. Foreclosures are at all-time highs, and there's no end in sight. But at Kingdom Builders Financial Group, we're growing by leaps and bounds. And we have an incredible opportunity for you to help those who are struggling right now and earn yourself an incredible income in the process. If you like what you hear in this presentation and you choose to join our family, you'll be brought on as an independent short sale consultant. A consultant really is just a glorified name for a bird dog. And if you don't know what a bird dog is the common term used in the industry for a person who connects investors with opportunities. So what do we do at Kingdom Builders Financial Group? We work with financially distressed homeowners to help them avoid foreclosure with a short sale option. We network with a fantastic negotiator who has closed more than 4,000 short sales and takes pride in not getting deficiency judgments. And we'll talk about deficiency judgments in a little bit. We have many independent agent partnerships as well as realtors that refer short sales to us. And we have developed important relationships with lenders, attorneys, and title companies. Now, what is a short sale? A real estate short sale is when a third party or homeowner negotiates a discount on the payoff amount due to a mortgage company. This happens when a homeowner owes more money to banks and or lien holders than the property can currently sell. In order to sell a property that is upside down in equity, the bank must agree to accept less than what is currently owed on the property. This is typically done for a homeowner who is behind on mortgage payments and facing foreclosure. What are the advantages of a short sale? A short sale allows you to stop foreclosure and get a fresh start. A short sale may allow the seller to buy a new home again in as little as 3 years, whereas a foreclosure remains on your credit report for 10 years, and you may not be able to purchase another home for 5 to 7 years. Short sales are not reported on your credit history. It will typically be reported as settled, paid as agreed, paid less than agreed, or something similar. Current or future employees running a credit check will see a foreclosure, but they will not see the short sale. What is a deficiency judgment? A deficiency judgment is a judgment made by a court against the mortgage holder indicating that the sale on a foreclosed piece of property did not cover the outstanding balance in full. It's a lien placed on the debtor for further money. Now let me give you an example. Let's say you owe $150,000 on your home and you lose it to foreclosure. The bank sells your home at an auction for $100,000. The bank will then file a lawsuit against you for the $50,000 that they didn't receive on the sale of your home. You are now liable for that money. And to make matters even worse, this information will be reported to the IRS, and they will look at it as additional income, and you'll be responsible for paying taxes on that $50,000. Deficiency judgments may be negotiated between the homeowner and a lender in a short sale, and a good negotiator is often able to negotiate a no deficiency judgment. But on the other hand, banks do not negotiate deficiency judgments after foreclosure, and you will likely have a judgment filed against you. This is a win-win-win solution. The lenders win because foreclosures are very expensive for banks. Lenders not only lose money when the house goes to sale, but the bad debt also limits the number of new loans the lender can award to others. Short sales allow lenders to cut their losses and clean up their books. The homeowners win because a completed foreclosure absolutely devastates a homeowner's credit score and can cause extreme stress and embarrassment. A successful short sale allows them to walk away from the situation and begin over with a fresh start. The investors win because short sales can produce large profits for investors with minimal expense or risk. The huge equity positions created allow multiple exit strategies, including a quick turn for huge chunks of cash or great cash flow from rentals or lease options. So now let's talk about the exciting part, the important part, the money. And at Kingdom Builders Financial Group, we love to talk about the money. I mean, you can't walk into a store, load up a cart full of items, and walk out without first handing over the money. That car you envision, that vacation you want to take your family on, that home you dream about, they all cost money. But see, many people believe that with money comes greed. But you're about to find out in the next few minutes that this is absolutely not the case here with Kingdom Builders Financial Group. At Kingdom Builders Financial Group, we have 3 levels at which you can earn money, from our entry-level position up to a manager level. And you don't get these promotions based on duration or length of time you're with the company. You earn these positions by producing results. At Kingdom Builders Financial Group, we reward those who take advantage of the system we created and go out and produce results. Now, this is a contracted position. So once we've received your signed contract, we're going to start you out at our entry-level position, or what we call a junior short sale consultant. As a junior short sale consultant, we start you out at 30% commission on all the deals you submit to Kingdom Builders Financial Group that successfully go to closing. Now let me put some numbers behind this so you can understand what this means. Let's say, for example, Kingdom Builders Financial Group makes conservatively $1,000 on the deal you submitted. That would make your commission $300. But it doesn't stop here. You see, we have a huge pipeline to fill, and we can't fill it alone, and that's why you were invited to this presentation. With 1 in 4 homeowners in distress and facing foreclosure, there's a huge need for our service, and we need your help. Your friends, neighbors, and loved ones need your help. So to encourage you to bring in consultants to help us fill our pipeline, we're offering you a piece of the pie on the deals that the consultants you refer to us submit. For every deal that the consultants you refer to us bring in, you'll receive a 10% override commission. So if one of the consultants you referred to us brings in a deal that closes, and let's use that same $1,000 example, they would receive the $300 for bringing the deal to the table, and you'd receive $100 just because you referred that person to us. As I said at the beginning, once you start producing results, you'll be rewarded. As you start to work your business and you begin referring consultants to us and essentially building a team, you'll have the opportunity to move up to the next level. Once you've referred just 10 consultants to us who have signed on with their family and get them trained, and remember, we do all the training for you, you'll then move up to what we call a senior short sale consultant. With this new title also comes a raise. As a senior short sale consultant, your commission now moves up to 40%. So using that same conservative $1,000 commission, your commission on personally referred deals would now be $400. And your override commission will increase as well to 15%, which means you would make $150 on all the deals that the consultants you referred to us bring in. Now, we want you bringing in more consultants to help us fill our pipeline, but we also want you out there working your business, bringing in your own deals. And once again, we'll reward you for your efforts. And you don't need to bring in 20 deals. You don't need to bring in 10 deals. You don't even need to bring in 5 deals. Once you bring in just 3 deals that successfully go to closing, you move up to a manager level short sale consultant. And again, with a new title comes another raise. Your commission on personally referred deals will now increase to 50%. Yes, Kingdom Builders Financial Group is going to give you half of the commissions they receive on the deals that you bring to the table. So using that same $1,000 example, you'll make $500. And your override commission will increase as well to 20%. Imagine the income you could create with your business by bringing in 10, 20, 50 consultants or more. Economic strategists around the world are predicting a major economic shift that's about to take place here in the United States. This economic shift is going to create an even bigger gap between the rich and the poor, virtually eliminating the middle class. Unfortunately, this new economy is going to create a massive wealth transfer, bankrupting many people, including our friends and loved ones, forcing them to lose much of the wealth they've accumulated during their lifetime. But you can prepare yourself ahead of time by taking advantage of the opportunity the new economy brings. You see, this is how the rich become wealthy. They have the vision to see what most people don't, and that takes knowledge and insight and working with the right opportunity at the right time. Most people aren't even aware of the opportunities that this new economy is creating. The question is, on which side of the wealth transfer are you going to be? Are you going to be the one who loses and struggles desperately every day to make ends meet? Or are you going to be the one who positions themselves the way the rich do and takes advantage of the changes that the new economy brings? We're facing an economic winter, and like any change in season, you need to prepare yourself ahead of time, and that takes vision. Vision to see what lies ahead and to intelligently prepare yourself and your family so that you not only survive these rough economic times, but that you come out on top. You see, wealth is abundant all around us, today more than ever. You just need a means to attract it to you, and we have that here at Kingdom Builders Financial Group. We're changing lives here at Kingdom Builders Financial Group. Back in October, I was listening to a similar presentation for the first time, and I got excited about what I heard, and I requested a contract because I could see the vision Terrence and Deborah had for this company, and I wanted to be a part of that same vision. I can honestly tell you that today, I'm a whole lot more excited than I was back then, because I'm seeing firsthand the lives that are being changed, including my own. In fact, there are many more things going on behind the scenes here at Kingdom Builders Financial Group that I don't have the time to talk about in this presentation. Things that would absolutely blow you away. Promotions where we're giving away amazing prizes. Prizes that most people can only dream of owning. 6 figures in 6 months is a common theme here at Kingdom Builders Financial Group. There are a number of our family members that are about to become million-dollar ring earners. These are the things you'll experience once you come on board with us. I hope you can hear the passion in my voice. You see, if I've done my job correctly, you're going to see our vision too, and you're going to get incredibly excited. You'll see a vision filled with hope, even if you've never been successful in business before. You see, you're at the right place, and this is absolutely the right time. So now I know you're asking yourself, how much will it cost me to take part in this incredible wealth-building opportunity? Well, see, we've been told by industry experts that this opportunity is well worth $2,500. But we're not going to charge you that. Not even half that. Not even a tenth of that. In fact, if you decide today that this opportunity is a right fit for you, you can come on board with Kingdom Builders Financial Group absolutely free. There is no charge. And that, my friend, is unheard of in this industry. Does this sound too good to be true? Well, the only way you're going to get the real answer to that question is to come on board with us and see for yourself. There's no charge. This opportunity is real. If it wasn't, there'd be a charge at the door. You wouldn't be getting in for free. And now it's decision time. It's time to decide if you have that same vision of what your future can and will look like. Do you believe our government and the big banks when they tell you that the country is doing fine, that the economy is rebounding? Or does your common sense take over and you realize we're at a point of no return? We have an enormous debt here in the United States that can never be repaid. We have a government that doesn't take responsibility for its own actions. So we have to take responsibility for our own actions and our own decisions. We need to be personally responsible for the future of our family, our children, our grandchildren, and that can begin today. And it can begin here with Kingdom Builders Financial Group. Ask yourself, do you want to leave your children a legacy or do you want to leave them an insurance policy? As this presentation comes to a close, I want to be the first to welcome you if you've made the decision to take the next step and join our family here at Kingdom Builders Financial Group. And to take the next step, simply get back to the person who invited you. Request our short sale consultant contract. Once you get the contract, fill it out, sign it, and get it faxed or emailed into Kingdom Builders Financial Group. And the person who invited you to this presentation will have all the details on how you can get this done. Then get ready for training. Our weekly training calls are set up for you to learn all the ins and outs of this business, and we'll teach you a simple but powerful, proven system that gets results. With that being said, I'd like to thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to view this presentation. Get back to the person who invited you. Request to take the next step. Request a future full of hope, a future full of dreams. I wish you a truly blessed day, and I hope one day I get the opportunity and the privilege to meet you and discuss with you your success. Until then, take care and God bless. We'll see you over the top.